Hi beautiful family, thank you so much for stopping by to watch today's video. On today's video we are going to make this powerful tea spray that's very potent, that contain only but 3 natural ingredients, and these natural ingredients are very easy to find in your kitchen. This tea spray is very potent in growing your hair faster, give you that thicker hair growth, and also stop hair fall and also hair breakage. Without further ado, let's dive into today's video. First thing is to be my jar, and my jar is clean. My first ingredient is fennel seed. Fennel seed helps to stimulate hair growth. Fennel seed helps to strengthen the hair follicles, boost faster hair growth, stop hair fall, hair breakage, and so many other benefits to be gotten on using fennel seed. So fennel seed is very effective if you want to solve your hair problems. Okay, so first thing, I use 1 tablespoon of my fennel seed. My second ingredient is neem powder. Neem powder is another good recipe that can boost faster hair growth, thicken up your hair, stop hair fall, especially if you are struggling for lice. Neem powder is very effective in killing lice on your hair and also itching scalp. Okay, so I use 1 tablespoon of my neem powder. Moving on to my third ingredient is cinnamon stick. Cinnamon stick is very effective in boosting hair growth, stimulate hair growth, stop hair fall, itching scalp, promote faster hair growth, and so many other benefits. Guys, these 3 ingredients, they are carefully selected. Okay, just keep on watching to see how to use them to get that massive hair growth you desire. So I just pour in hot water into my mixed jar container. So my cinnamon is very long, I just cut it into 2 halves. So what I did now, cover it, allow this to infuse for 12 hours. Once it's 12 hours, you see everything have changed. All the ingredients, they have released their nutrients into this tea spray. So I'm using my shifter to shifter it, but I find that there is particles of this powder into this my tea spray, so I'll still use my shift cloth again to shifter it again so that there will not be particles on my hair. So please don't do this double work that I give myself. First of all, I suppose use my shift cloth to shifter it for the first time so that I will not have this residues of this ingredient on my hair. You see the residue that may stuck on my hair if I do not follow up this second shiftering. Do you see it? So don't be like me. Okay, just use your shift cloth straight away and shifter it, unless you're not using powder ingredients. Okay, so I'll transfer it to my spray bottle for easy application. This tea spray is very effective in giving you that faster hair growth you desire. As you can see, these 3 ingredients, they are carefully selected for those that struggle for hair growth, for those that want to stop itching scalp, they are struggling for hair fall, or their hair is thinny, they want to thicken up their hair, give themselves fuller hair. If you desire for fuller hair, this recipe will give you that fuller hair with consistent of using. Don't use it one time and expect the magic result to happen. When you be consistent of using this tea spray, it's very effective in giving you that fuller hair, thicken up your hair, stop hair fall, itching scalp, kill the lice on your hair, and also solve your hair problems like irritation, scalp problems that you have. Okay, and give you that faster hair growth. Okay, there is no joke on this tea spray. If you have not been trying all of my tea spray, I will encourage you not to miss this particular tea spray because it's very powerful and very potent. So I'm using it now to hydrate my hair, okay, as a leave-in tea spray. I like using my tea spray as a leave-in treatment. I don't like raising them out because that is where you get the best results. When the tea sit on your hair, you will see the best result than when you rinse it out. So if you want to see that faster result on using the tea spray, use it as a leave-in tea spray or as a leave-in conditioner. Okay, but after using it, follow up with your moisturizer like your leave-in condition or your hair butter to see in the moisture. In that case, this tea spray have chance to stay longer to your hair and do that great work you need to do on your hair. If you're experiencing itching scalp, once you apply this tea spray, once application, you will see the itchy scalp will stop immediately. This tea spray, there's no joke on that. If you want to stop that itching scalp like never before, please prepare the tea spray the way I just show you and use it as a leave-in tea spray. Okay, you see that great result. Or you want to thicken up your hair, you use it long period of time before you see the result of thickening up your hair. If you want to kill lice, one application you see the effect of it also on your hair. And also hair falling, using the tea spray consistent like 1 week or 2 weeks, you see the effect of that hair falling. Your hair will stop falling excessively or stop shedding excessively with the tea spray. Okay, so for the faster hair growth and for hair fuller, you need to be consistent with it, like 2 months, 3 months, you see that effective, you see that visible results in this tea spray of that fuller hair and longer hair growth. Okay, there's no joke on this. All these DIY I share with you in the channel, they really grow, but if you be consistent with them, you see how this tea spray will grow your hair. They have been my lifesaver. DIYs is my lifesaver. I've used DIYs to grow my hair to this level my hair is, and I'm still growing my hair. My desire is to have natural long hair to my table length, and I pray that in a very short period of time, with the help of DIYs I share in the channel, I can go to I will reach to my hair goal. Okay, and also if you also want to grow your natural hair, try to be using DIYs. They are natural products. They are nothing, there's nothing for you to worry about. Okay, they don't have any after effect, they will not damage your hair. Okay, just consistent with them and you see how great result they work. What you need to do whenever you are watching DIY videos that will help to grow your hair, just try to watch the videos to the end so that to get all the instruction on how to use that particular product, because every product have their own technique on how to use them, so that you see the good result of that product. If you watch the video on halfway and click out, you thought that you have seen them, or no, you have not gotten the instruction on how to use that particular product. If it's the product that you can store or product that you cannot store, you need to watch video to the end to get all the instruction. Okay, I hope you understanding me. So guys, how to use this tea spray? Use this tea spray 3 times in a week in your hair, and make sure your hair is not dirty before you apply this tea spray. Use it on a clean scalp and then a clean stretch of hair. Okay, after then massage your scalp. If you like, it can cover up your hair 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Remove your shower cap and also leave your hair to air dry. But if you want to use it as a final thin rinse after washing your hair, pour it all over your hair, cover your shower cap, and also allow it to sit like 20 minutes, 30 minutes, depend on you. Remove your shower cap and rinse it out, moisturize your hair. But our advice, so if you want to see the faster results, on this recipe, leave it to sit on your hair. Don't rinse it out. You don't need to bother for anything. Okay, it will not damage your hair. Right, that is very good on your hair. Okay, storage, please store this only but 5 days in your refrigerator. Once it's 5 days, discard it and make a fresh batch. Okay, please, if you have not subscribed, help me to click on that subscribe button, and once you subscribe, please turn on your post notification bell so that I'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also, if you have not liked this video up to this point, please help me to click on that like button. It really helps the growth of the channel, and it helps YouTube to put the video to more audience. And also share this video to your family and friends so that they can get the good news on today video. So guys, if there's anything I did not cover up on this video, please let me know in comment section below. I love you guys so much, but God love you most. See you guys on my next video. It's a baby girl Glory. Bye.